Hello guys, in this video I'm just going to explain how to fix this fail to download required installer asset. Okay, updatebrain.zip. So if you're trying to install macOS and if you're getting this error, right, it's because of internet connections. Okay, so what you need to do is you need to connect the internet connections properly. So it's already connected to the internet, okay, but still we are getting the error, and I'm going to reinstall and then give continue and then continue. It's connected to the internet. Yes, so you need to connect to the internet. If you don't connect to the internet, right, just connect it, then it will be working fine. So my Wi-Fi is already on, looking for network, so I need to terms and conditions check. It might be frequent disconnections, so give agree, and then this is the one I'm going to install it. Mac Monterey will be installed on this disk. Okay, that's it friends. Hope this video is very much helpful. Thank you so much for watching. Please provide comments and feedbacks. Bye, take care friends. If you have any doubts, just comment it. If I know, definitely I will reply. Bye.